In this video we will make Instagram account, and to make Instagram account, first of all you have to go to instagram.com. Then you have sign up option here. When you click on this window will appear. Here you have to write first of all your email, or you can write your mobile phone number. Then you have to write your name and then username. Then you have to set password for yourself and then click on sign up. Save the password and make your birth date. Make sure the year you select is less than 2003. Then go to next. The confirmation code will be sent on your Gmail, so go to your Gmail. Here you will receive an email from Instagram, and there is your one-time password. Copy this and paste it here and click on next. Now you can turn on or off notification. That's totally up to you. And if you go to your profile, here is your Instagram account. So this is how you can create your Instagram account. You can also connect your Facebook phone number and add your profile photo. You just have to click on profile photo and upload your photo. I will select this one, and here you can see the photo. The followers will be shown here, and the people you follow will be shown here. You can also click here to install Insta on your PC.